Did you know that when you stop eating, your body doesn't weaken, but instead activate a regeneration program that has been perfected over millions of years? Fasting is much more than not eating. It's a biological strategy that triggers deep mechanisms of cleansing, repair, and longevity. The first thing that happens during a fast is that the glucose reserves in the liver and muscles run out. This store, called glycogen, lasts between 12 and 16 hours depending on the person. When it's depleted, the body doesn't go into crisis, it becomes efficient. It starts using fat as its main energy source, and a metabolic switch turns on that connects us with the most ancient part of our biology. In this first stage of intermittent fasting, immediate benefits appear. Inflammation decreases, insulin sensitivity improves, blood sugar levels drop, and hormones like growth hormone and testosterone are activated. Many people feel more energy, greater mental clarity, and digestive rest that makes the mind lighter and more focused. When fasting extends to 18 or 20 hours, the body starts producing ketones more significantly. Ketosis is a metabolic state where fat becomes a clean, stable fuel for the brain and muscles. This not only suppresses hunger, it also stabilizes mood and enhances concentration. At 24 hours of fasting, cellular repair mechanisms are already active. Between 36 and 48 hours, something deeper occurs: autophagy. Cells recycle damaged proteins, remove old structures, and create new functional parts. It's like an internal cleaning that regenerates from within. From the second to the third day, we enter deep fasting. At this point, the body shifts into a mode of energy saving and metabolic intelligence. The immune system resets, insulin levels drop dramatically, leptin receptors are regulated, and a true anti-aging effect takes place. It's a biological reset that is hard to achieve otherwise. But it's not that simple. In deep fasting, mistakes can ruin the process. Drinking coffee with oils, butter, or amino acids breaks the scarcity signals and stops autophagy. Doing intense exercise at this stage can speed up muscle loss. The body needs rest, not overexertion. Another very common mistake is how to break the fast. If, after 48 or 72 hours, you eat bread, pasta, or sweet fruits, blood sugar spikes, insulin surges, and the body quickly stores fat. The ideal way is to break it with light broths, cooked vegetables, green juices without fruit, or small amounts of light protein. It's a gradual return, respectful to the body. There are 3 levels of fasting depending on calorie restriction. Fasting mimicking diet, less than 500 calories a day, with teas, broths, or a very light food. 2. Insulin-reduced fasting, water, teas, black coffee, or apple cider vinegar that don't raise insulin. 3. Strict fasting, only water and minerals. This last one is the most powerful. It really activates autophagy and the deep regeneration mechanisms. Throughout the process, we can measure certain markers to understand what's happening inside the body. Fasting blood glucose shows insulin response. Ketone levels in blood or breath reveal if we're in ketosis. And insulin resistance gives clues about how the metabolism is improving over time. Intermittent fasting is a daily or weekly tool. It can be practiced in patterns like 16-8, 18-6, or even 24 hours, and it's ideal to keep metabolism flexible and healthy. Deep fasting, on the other hand, is a special event. It's not done every day or every week. It's practiced a few times a year, with preparation, rest, and respect, like a natural medicine that resets the whole organism. The benefits of fasting are wide-reaching. It regulates weight without counting calories, improves mental energy, strengthens the immune system, lowers chronic inflammation, protects the heart and brain, and delays the aging process. It's a powerful, free, and natural tool that reminds us that sometimes the best medicine is not adding but removing. Of course, not everyone can fast. People who are underweight, pregnant women, children, or those with serious illnesses should avoid it without medical supervision. Fasting is safe when used consciously but dangerous if improvised. Intermittent fasting gives us energy and clarity every day. Deep fasting gives us regeneration and longevity a few times a year. Both are paths to the same goal: recovering health, resetting metabolism, and giving the body the rest it needs to heal itself. If you're interested in this information, subscribe to the channel. Every week you'll get more health insights.